morning, everybody. Today is October the 1st. Happy Vlogtober, everybody. I am starting my morning off with a nice cup of coffee. I am not going to show you guys my face yet because I have just woken up and I look a hot mess. But I started out my morning. Today is Friday. It's trash day. Cleaning out my refrigerator. So this morning, while I'm sitting here talking with Angelina before she gets ready to leave for school, I have cleaned out the refrigerator so that all of the food and stuff could go in the trash pickup. And so this is the mess that I have left to clean. I'm going to put these things in the dishwasher. And yeah, I'll be back to talk to you guys a little bit later. Good morning, Angelina.
Hi. Hello.
All right, guys, she is getting ready to go to school. And yeah, she's going to be leaving here in just a few minutes. So yeah, we're getting this October 1st started out right. As soon as she leaves, I'm going to have my prayer time. That's the right way to start it out. And then we're going It is right at noontime now, and this morning I've done a couple things already. I've gone up to my theater downtown to get some costumes and props for the students that are going to be performing this afternoon. I don't know if I told you guys, but my Performing Arts Center has partnered with a brand new performing arts school out here. They've contracted us out to help build up their theater program. I'm so excited about that. So our students are going to be performing sketches today for the first time, and a few of them wanted some costumes. I had them in our possession at our theater downtown, so I went to pick those up for them. They are so excited, and I'm excited for the students to work with them. So I just left there. I'm getting ready right now. I need to go by Dollar Tree to pick up a few more props that the students had requested, and then I need to get me a couple things at Office Depot, and then I'm gonna grab me lunch. My lunch, of course, is going to be Wingstop, okay? Is that a surprise to any of you? Gonna get me some Wingstop, and then I'm gonna head to the school so I can watch a couple of the students' performances. You all bear with me. I have a new mount for my phone, and I'm still learning how to work it. So it's probably gonna be shifting a little bit until I get it down. So I'm sorry. I know it's a little bit all over the place, but I think it looks like it's crooked. So sorry about that, guys. I'll take the time to work with it soon here. But at any rate, so right now I am going to get off with you guys. I'm going to order my Wingstop, and then I'm going to go to Dollar Tree to get a few things for the students. And then I need to run by Office Depot to get a few things for Sincerely Legenia Spices. And yeah, we're gonna get this day started. I'm excited. It's a little bit gloomy. It was raining this morning. It's stopped now, but it's still just a really cloudy day. But you know what? It's a beautiful day, and I am so glad to be in it. And I'm glad to be sharing it with you guys. Vlogtober is here, and I am so happy. I had such a fun time last year, and I'm just excited to be doing this again with you guys. One of the things my students requested was fake money. So here's one at Dollar Tree. Only $1. Fake money, you got it. To get used to vlogging again. I just finished my lunch from Wingstop. It was my intent to show you guys what I had. I just simply had wings. That was it. Nothing to go with it. I had wings, and I had my water that I carry with me everywhere I go. that's all I had. Now I'm getting ready to head to the school, and I'm stopping to get me some Starbucks because it's a fall kind of day and I want me a nice fall fragrance. So I'm getting me this apple juice drink. No, it's not keto, but it's apple juice with a little bit of whipped cream, and has a little caramel drizzle on it. I'm gonna get that. I will look up the carbs to see what the carbs are in this drink so that I can monitor the rest of my carbs for the day. But I'm sure this drink will not take me over my allotted carb amount. So anyway, I'm here, I'm happy, and I'll see you guys when I get to the school. Hi. Okay, so let's give this a taste. Pretty good. It's really good. The only thing missing is the cinnamon. They don't carry the apple spice cinnamon dolce or whatever it is that they would normally put in the apple spice. So this is like a dust of cinnamon powder or something like that. And I'm not really helping you guys out or telling you much, but either way, it's apple juice with some whipped cream, a little bit of caramel drizzle. That's about it. So I'll look up the carbs and let you know how many carbs I am consuming in this drink. But it's not hot, but it is a nice, you know, a nice fall day. And it's a great day for some apple cider.
No, it's screwed mixed up. You know, this crazy millionaire choosing me.
Trillionaire. Why are you crying, lass?
Wait, it's good. No, I named after a pepper. My brother constantly in him. Oh, you're in my history class, right? Yes. I need a partner.
All right, guys, right now I am at Bedford's Camera and Video. I'm here to pick up a wedding album that I made for my niece who got married back in August. I did the photography for her wedding, and as a wedding gift, my husband and I, we put together a beautiful wedding album with their wedding photos and reception photos. So I'm here now picking it up, and I'm so excited. It was fun creating it online, and so it's going to be really exciting to see the actual book in hand. So let's go inside and pick it up. Okay, everybody, so I did get the wedding album out, and I did get the wedding album, and you guys, it is beautiful. It is so pretty. She was a gorgeous bride, and I'm gonna let her know I showed you guys her wedding album. Hopefully she won't mind. So if you see it in this vlog, you'll know that she did not mind. But you guys, I'm just gonna show you a couple pictures. She was the most beautiful bride ever, and yes, yours truly took that beautiful photo. Beautiful. It turned out so gorgeous, guys. I mean, wonderful quality. And I mean, I'm just so pleased, and I just know that they're gonna love it. They're gonna love it. They had a beautiful ceremony outside, and yeah, I'm just so happy with the way everything turned out. I love it. I love it. Okay, on to the store. Dinner today is going to be soup and sandwich. I'm going to have the soup. I'm here at Fresh Market right now. I want to get a really good fresh baked bread for their sandwiches. So let's go in Fresh Market and get some bread. some really good romaine lettuce here. Good head of romaine lettuce. Get some romaine. Let me show you guys really quickly everything that I got from Fresh Market. I think I showed you anyway as I was putting it in the basket, but just in case I did not, let me show you guys what I got. So I got these croissant rolls. This is what I'm going to use to make the sandwiches today. I got a bag of Roma tomatoes, 4 Roma tomatoes. They look so good. I got 1 purple onion. I got some mild cheddar cheese. This is the Fresh Market brand, which I've never had. I wanted to try this out, so that's why I got this, and it is mild cheddar. We are preferably sharp cheddar cheese eaters in this house. That's what we prefer, but I want to give this a try and see how theirs taste. I did find the okra chips, so I got some okra chips. You guys, this container, which has lots of crumbs in it, this was $8.23. Okay, it's not even, look, it's not even a whole pound. Look at this. Just whatever. Anyway, and then I got some romaine lettuce. I'm going to make me a turkey wrap with this as I make their sandwiches with their croissants. And then I also got some mochi, which I better put in the freezer, by the way, so that it doesn't melt. And then I went over to Kroger and I got sharp cheddar cheese. Like I said, we are sharp cheddar cheese eaters. We eat so much cheese. Trust me, this will all get eaten. So for the deli meat for our sandwiches today, I got boar's head. I think I've told you guys how much I love boar's head before. I got this at Kroger. This is the Cajun turkey breast, the Cajun smoked turkey breast. So delicious. It smells good. Like as I'm patting it, the smell is just coming up. So good. It's coming up. And then I got the mesquite, the boar's head mesquite smoked turkey breast. These are so good. They are a bit pricey because like this is not even, I mean, that's not even a half a pound. It's maybe about 5 slices in here. But y'all, it's so good. I don't know what it is. It's just so good. This as well. They are a bit pricey, but they are worth it. You guys, if you try it or if you have tried it, let me know what you think. Let me know if you guys think it's worth the price. I think it's delicious. I think it is. And then I saw this, guys. I thought this was so interesting. I've always wanted an ice cream maker, and this was reduced to $9.79. And I'm like, okay, it's a little mini ice cream maker. It makes 1 pint of ice cream. I thought this would be great for me to try over the weekend. Maybe I can make a delicious low-carb ice cream. If so, be on the lookout for that. It'll be in a vlog coming up here really soon. So anyway, I got this at Kroger also in the clearance section. You guys know I always go to the clearance section at Kroger because I usually will always, I will say 7 times out of 10, I find something that I want to go on and purchase. But anyway, that is it. That's my little haul. So I'm gonna go ahead and get dinner started. For my wrap, guys, I'm going to put some ranch dressing on my lettuce, and you already know, if you've been following me a while, can you guess where this ranch came from? Yes, it is Wingstop ranch. I think Wingstop has the absolute best ranch dressing there is. It is so unbelievably delicious. All right, so I got my Wingstop ranch dressing there. And now I'm going to go in with the mesquite smoked turkey. It's sliced really, really thin. Ooh, this is a lot thinner than usual, to be honest with you guys. It's extremely thin. can barely get it out. Oh, okay. All right, so go ahead and put my smoked turkey on. I think it'll be better if I do it like that anyway. All right, so I got that on. Now I'm gonna put a couple of slices of tomato here. Yum. And of course on my tomato, I'm gonna add some pink Himalayan salt. Season my tomato with salt and hot black pepper. Some of this mild cheddar cheese from Fresh Market. Get to give it a taste. Slice there, slice there. And I'm gonna add some pickle. You guys, I cannot remember the name of these pickles. I had to transfer them out of the original container into this mason jar because the original container, the lid wouldn't stay on all the way. And I didn't want an accident to happen. I didn't want them to spill out in the refrigerator. So I transferred them over into this mason jar, but I will try to remember or try to get the name of these pickles. I've seen them used. Some of my favorite YouTubers cook with them and have them on their sandwiches and things. And so I saw some at Target. I love them. These are probably my new favorite pickles. All right, so I got those. Oh my goodness. So good. Yummy, yummy. All right, and that's it. I've got my delicious lettuce wrap, guys. I don't know if you can see it. Yummy. All right, everyone, so here is tonight's dinner. I've got my turkey lettuce wrap with cheese, tomato, pickles, and some ranch dressing. I'm so excited about that. And I've paired it up with some okra chips right here. I'm gonna eat those with it, and this is going to be tonight's dinner. All right, so I'm getting ready to go upstairs. I'm gonna end the vlog here. So I've got me espresso with some caramel Premier Protein in it, and I've got my canteen of water, which I carry everywhere. I've just refilled it with some more water. I always take that upstairs with me. All right, everybody, so I'm gonna end the vlog right here. You know, I usually have my detox tea at night, but I'm not going to tonight because I had some last night and the night before, and I think and the night before that. So I'm going to skip tonight. I'm just gonna take these two items upstairs, watch a little Netflix with my husband until I fall asleep. I'm gonna get me some rest. So thank you guys for joining me for the first day of Vlogtober. It was fun, and moving into the month, we're gonna have some more adventurous days, I promise. But guys, thank you for joining me. It is always a pleasure. Until tomorrow's video, it is my prayer that you and your family have a blessed and a prosperous day, and I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. See you then. Bye.